life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys, good morning. Today's finally the day. I'm heading to Ireland. Yeah, I'm super excited. Woke up really early, like at 7, 2 hours before my no, actually an hour and a half before my 6 o'clock. I woke up at 6, 2 hours before my alarm. Yeah, I usually don't eat breakfast, but I have some meal prep still left in the fridge. I'm gonna eat some breakfast, then do some stretches and quick workouts, and I'll shower and I'll see you guys right before I head to the airport. Alright. Hey guys, I just finished packing and breakfast and everything else. I'm all packed, as you can see. Wait, hold on. There you go. Yeah, only got a carry-on and a backpack. I'm not doing any check-in because I'm only gonna be there for 8 days. And yeah, I done some cleaning. And look, here's the fit check. Ooh. I got my On shoes, walking shoes, on Cloud Tilts. These are the best. I got them for my trip in Japan last year. And some comfy clothes. Just blank shirt and some bomber jacket. I don't know where I got it. I think American Eagle or Abercrombie. I think so. But yeah, hopefully it's a chill day for traveling. I checked the weather in Ireland and I think it's around 50 degrees, coldest, and then 70s at noontime. So it's not bad. The humidity is high as well. So yeah, it's gonna warm up. And yeah, I think the light jacket is just enough, I think. So yeah, and I didn't know if I told you guys, but I'm staying over at a friend's place, and that saves me a lot of money. I'm so glad. But yeah, peace out. I'll probably see you when I check in the gate, and yeah, see you later. It's my gate, and yeah, I think what time is it? It's 10:30. 10:30. Probably at least 40 minutes until boarding. So, wait a minute. It's still not here. I want to see the answer. See you guys later. Alright. Hi guys, finally landed. It's 9 a.m. in Dublin right now, and I just made it past immigration. So I just need to find my friend. She's gonna pick me up. Yeah, it was horrible in DC. Rain was so hard, and yeah, flight got delayed almost 2 hours. So yeah, I can't wait to have first sip of coffee in Ireland, and I'll show you guys around. See you soon. Bye. Hi guys.
Welcome to this vlog.
Welcome. It's yeah, we just got here to downtown. This is
Okay.
Kay. She's hosting me for the next couple of days. So yeah, this is their downtown. Ano naman na siya na building? What's na building?
I don't know.
What do you don't know? Like, ano naman ito?
Ako hold on yung building.
Ah.
Pero usually tayo the line na number ka lang give out of food. Busog ka na tulog guys.
Ah, okay. Nice ang architecture dito. Oh, it's Parabagan.
Yeah.
Did it, Ah, okay. It's like DV, di ba? DV. Divisoria. Yeah, so Dublin reminds me of TDO, our hometown. So kinda, yeah, cause it gives like, it's a metro city, but it gives like a small town vibe, like Austin. Yeah, very chill. But it's kind of busy because it's rush hour, right, Karan? Rush hour. So people are rushing to work. Yeah. And their sidewalks are pretty big, so. Insa mo na? Safe as that is that? Hindi.
Kaya napapakita mo rin natin ito na ginawa.
Train station, Grand Central. So I think this is their downtown. It's a Heineken building. Asa ta? Cross? Okay. Bilhin ako kay Hugo kayo ang river. Amot nga no. Crossing? Doyles. Yeah, it gives off London CDO vibes. Sa downtown. Sa downtown. Pero yeah, you guys have a lot more ano diri, murag space. But mid-rise inyo ang halos tanan buildings niyo. Wala mo skyscraper. Sa London na sa district na skyscraper halos.
Good night na. Bye-bye, Bugo. God bless you too. I love you so much.
What park is this? St. Stephen's? Hi guys. Naami sa St. Stephen's Green Park. It's very peaceful. Let's see. Look. It's filled with lots of people hanging out in the park. And you got a bust of James Joyce. Yeah, we've been walking for like 20 minutes now. And it's so nice out here. Our first day, or actually my first day in Ireland, and then the following day we kicked things off with our first day tour. And yeah, it was a 3-hour drive to our first stop, and not even 5 minutes in, the bus ride Kay fell asleep. That was something. I was trying to capture what our tour guide was saying, but I couldn't make out any of it because the road noise was so loud. But yes, I was just trying to capture as much of the road trip as I can. Taking shots of the green pastures of Ireland, or right outside of Dublin. I think at this point we were heading to Galway first, right? I actually forgot. I'm so bad. Oh, yeah, we went to the mines first. Oh, I finally figured out which mines. The Gwengola mines, and to some farm. But yeah, at this point, Kay finally woke up. I think an hour into the bus ride. Yeah, sleepyhead. Yeah, I'm gonna mute myself here because our tour guide here was actually pretty good. Yeah, I want you guys to hear what he was saying, at least some part of it, because I don't want to record the whole. Yeah.
Alright, so guys, keep your eyes open. See, there's hundreds of them on the walls all around them, and they really bring to life just how slow and how hard the work would have been here every single day. You can see right here where the miners had to chisel through a black coloured rock. This stuff is the dolerite that I showed you inside in the museum. I said it was much stronger, more difficult to break than the marble, and because of that, just one of these chisel holes into the dolerite would take the miners their entire 12-hour shift. Will you stand just there for me? And will you stand this side here? Right there. Thank you. Will you stand there? Stand there. And will you to this side here? Perfect. Stand that side. You want to stand there for me? You want to come down? Yeah, one of you. And if you want to go that side, just have a little gap in the middle as well. Try and squeeze them. You're not made for mine. No, I'm not. Okay. Can you all see? Alright. Would you mind turning off your torch? Alright, so if you can all try to imagine for a second that you are miners who are working underground. This is basically the only light that you would have inside in the tunnel with you. Imagine that. You have one candle shared amongst 3 of the miners. So now you can see why it was very important to use your hands to be able to feel all the different rocks, because looking at the side of the tunnel here, you'll see it's very difficult to figure out which of these minerals is which. You can only see different shades of black and white. Now, the candles that the miners used were not made from wax like this candle. They were actually made from animal fat. And because of this, it caused a lot of toxic black smoke to rise up here to the top of the tunnel. Because of this, the miners had to crouch down to avoid breathing in the smoke and the fumes. And of course, if they were working in the bottom of the mine, they had another problem, and that was all with the water. So imagine you're down in the bottom of the mine doing the hardest work. You have freezing cold water down here. You have toxic black smoke up here. You have this small area in the middle that's safe for you to work. You have to crouch down for 12 hours every day. The candle's up on your hat.
The next part of this tour is actually pretty cool. Um, Once we got up, we got to see an actual shepherd. He was with his dog, Pip, and Pip, I think, is a border collie. It was so cool because he showed us how he operates and how him and Pip herd the sheep. But yeah, and I'll show you guys in a sec.
Want to go left, we say come by. Want to go right, we say away. Walk on, and to stop is to lie down. You want to lie down for me? Lie down. And she has a trick. Lie down. Go on, lie down. Oh, I didn't get to do it. Come on, go back there and lie down. Come on, lie down. Lie down. No. Trick. Yeah. As she goes further and further away, I must shout louder and louder. So we go over to a whistle. When I want Pip to go left, to go right, forward, to lie down. That whistle goes 4 times further than your voice, and Pip is 7 times better hearing than us. So if you've got a dog at home, you're shouting to your dog, come back, and you think your dog can't hear you, I can hear you. Come on here, Pip. Come on. That's good. So the sheep are on the hill, and Pip's job is to go up and go around the sheep and bring them down here. That's what she's trained to do. So we're going to send her over to do it. Has anybody any questions for me?
Mm-hmm.
You ready, Pip? Out you go. Come here. Come on here. Sit. I'm going to tell her to look. That's where she's going. And I'm going to give her a left hand command. Come by. So I lie this down, and when the Pip lies down, that predator instinct goes away and the sheep will stop. It's very important if you're moving sheep on a warm day, you give the chance to have a break and rest. It's not a bad day, it's only a short distance, but it was a long distance on the mountain to do that. If I want to get the sheep up towards me, here, here. There's my sheep right. Do you see what Pip is doing for me as a farmer? Lie down. I lie down. Do you see what Pip is doing for me as a farmer? She's bringing this sheep right down here, all the way down to the hill for me. I can look at my sheep, any sheep I want to catch, I can because Pip is here beside me. If I want to move the sheep on, up, 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 up. Here, come by. Pip, come by. Pip, come by. Lie down. Lie down. There's a gate there. I can open that gate, let my sheep go. And that's very important to me because I didn't have to do any running around. Pip is doing everything for me. Away. Here, come by. Come by. Come by. Lie down. Lie down. Up, up.
And for our next stop, we stopped over at a bridge that was featured at John Wayne's movie called The Quiet Man. For any of you guys that's familiar with it, it's a pretty old movie, and yeah, it was actually my first time hearing about that movie. Yeah, I don't know why it was part of the tour, but apparently it was very famous back then, and yeah, it was just so nice to see this part of the town because the bridge was actually really cool. Yeah, as you can see from over here, it's very well maintained, and people do actually stop over here. It's part of Ireland's famous tourist attractions, and it's right next to a very cool neighborhood, very quaint and very peaceful. Yeah. Nice Bisaya. we're at Galway, and we're walking through the streets of Galway, and we're going to the Long Walk. And this, yeah, this cost. And the city feels like, what does it feel like? Europe. Sorry. And it's a cute little church. So head straight. Yeah, pero kanang kwan kayo kanang yeah, dili good pwede mag-ano. Car seat. Ay kanang dapat car seat gid. Which way? Yeah, fish and chips too. Asa ka to, babe? So nice they say pictures of Icas, babe. From what I remembered back then, by this time we were actually getting to the end of this part of Galway, which was called the Long Walk, and we realized that it was best viewed or experienced on the other side of the port. And we went back and went to the central part of Galway, which were like the shops and the pubs we're at. And yeah, as you can see, it's there's a lot more people here than where we were at, which was called Long Walk. And it was only like a 10-minute walk or 5-minute walk from the Long Walk. And yeah. Sa tumagit siya na. Nice to relax. Natural lang gano'n.
Hindi lang ako raw tumboy mo. Like,
Tumboy? Hindi na ako tukwao na. So guys, this was the shot that I wanted to see, or the view that I wanted to see of the Long Walk. And as you can see, there is a park in the middle of the docks where all these young people and tourists are drinking and enjoying the night. But yeah, it was so cool to see. It reminded me of Austin, Zilker Park in Austin, here in Austin. But yeah, and after this, we kind of just vibed out and ended the night chilling at the park. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.